This is my ping pong ball motion challenge. Now I could just drop this ball or throw it, but instead I made a ramp out of cardboard so that when it rolls down, it will go to the same spot every time. Hopefully hit here and land in that cup. And by doing that, I can now move it further and further down from bounce to bounce to bounce. All you need is a ping pong ball, some cardboard, some tape, some pots and pans, a cup, and maybe some books. Plan it out, test it, see if you can complete the ping pong motion challenge. Okay, so I have my cardboard here, and I noticed that this one comes short almost every time as it goes down the ramp, hits the pan, and falls short. Let's see what happens. Ready? Falls short. Let me move the cup. So I'm going to move the cup, and I've got a little tape there so it stays in place. And now I'm going to try it and see what happens. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I need to move it just a little bit more. There we go. Still need to move it just a little bit. Okay, after a bunch of different trials, I think I have it. Let's see. Yes! Good. And I should try it one more time just to make sure that it's going to be reliable. Here we go. Don't push it, just let it roll. All right, perfect. Now I've added a second pot and pan and bowl, and so now we'll see. And I have a feeling it's going to take a lot more testing on this, so I'm just going to do a bunch and see what happens. And when you use different balls, you're going to get different results, I think. Here we go. 1. Too far. Too far. Oh, almost. Now, you'll probably just use one ball, but since I have a bunch, I'm trying it. And I'll tell you, you might take a little while for this to work, but good luck.